welcome to Merino Homes. My name's Katie, I'm co-owner with David. We've put together 8 essential things you need to know before building a custom home, so in the weeks to come we're going to release a tip a week. So you have checked the reputation of your builder, and that would be your step 1. Step 2 is do not be afraid to ask questions. There is no problem if you do not understand terminology or whether you find the quote confusing and you need clarification. There's so many issues that can be avoided with clear communication. So when that communication line breaks down and those questions don't get asked, that is usually the starting point of the breakdown of the relationship. So ask as many questions as you feel that you need to. If you need clarification on something, or whether you're worried something's not included, anything like that, ask all of those questions. Even before you give them a phone call or have a meeting, write them down, tick them off, make sure that you cover all your bases so nothing's left up in the air. Do not be afraid to ask questions. That is your tip for today. Stay tuned, we'll be releasing more tips in the weeks to come. I hope you enjoyed them.